What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be taking a look at this microwave, and the issue is that it's not heating up. Now, as you can see under the table, I have an air fryer that I'm gonna make a video on it too. So if you wanna watch the video, please consider subscribing and let me know what you think in the comments. Let me put it apart and see what can I find. Alright, I got it apart, and before I move on, I want to let you know something. Never run a microwave with the cover off. There are dangerous voltages and microwaves themselves that are dangerous and could be fatal. So if you don't know what you're doing, please don't touch a microwave. Don't work on it. Alright guys, I got it apart, and the first thing I want to do is check the capacitor. Now beforehand, I made sure that there was no voltage in the capacitor, which you can see here. This capacitor is rated at 2300 volts, so you can see how dangerous is that. So please, if you don't know what you're doing, don't work on these things. And it is 1 microfarad also, so I want to check the capacitance on that. Let me switch to, okay, now you decide to, all right. So let me switch to capacitance, and as you can see, it's right on the measure. It's measuring 1 microfarad, so there's no problem with the capacitor. Now let's see how we can test the high voltage diode. We'll put one lead in one side and the other on the other side with the multimeter in diode mode, and we should see OL, because these high voltage diode are many diodes in series. So the 3 volts that the multimeter is sending is going to get dropped, and as a result it will display OL. Now let's see in the other direction, and we should see no difference. So that's how you test a high voltage diode. Now let's move on with the magnetron. So I checked the capacitor and the high voltage diode, and they're both okay. When I was measuring the magnetron, see that I have 1 probe of the multimeter on one leg of the magnetron, and if I measure to the chassis, see that I have 35 ohms, which shouldn't have this connection between the leg and the chassis. So that means that this magnetron is faulty. So let me try on the other leg and see that we have the same reading. So this magnetron is faulty, and unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to fix this microwave, but I hope you learned something new. I hope you like this content. If you do, let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing, and see you on the next one.